Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to review some of the products that I've been using from this brand called Amrutam, and I have two products with me. One is a charcoal face mask and the other one is a DIY hair spa, the Kuntal Care hair spa. So I'm going to review both of these products in this video. If you're interested, keep watching, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to stay updated of my new videos. And now let's get started. So we'll talk about the brand first. I came across the brand on Instagram and they are an Indian brand, started off in Gwalior in India, and the brand was established in 2006 and it has been doing good. I was really intrigued by the charcoal face mask because it's summers here in Delhi and my skin tends to get oily, especially during the day. There's a lot of oiliness and open pores that I'm facing right now, so I was looking for a good mask, and I was really intrigued by the Amrutam Charcoal face mask. Charcoal, as we all know, is a strongly detoxifying agent. It pulls out all impurities from the surface of the skin and gives you clear skin. It deep cleanses your pores and generally just pulls out all the toxins and impurities from the surface of the skin. So I wanted to pick this up and I'm really happy with the results. It's something I can say after using it a few times. I'm sitting here barefaced, there's no makeup except for lipstick, so I'm not wearing any foundation or anything on my face, and you can see that my skin looks nice and clean and clear, and it doesn't look very oily. There's the nice healthy glow on my skin, but otherwise it doesn't look very oily. So I wanted to show you my bare face so that you can get an idea of what the product does. I'm really happy with this product. It comes in a glass packaging with a lid, and you just open up the product and there you have the mask. It is a ready to use mask. You don't need to mix in anything with anything. The application is really easy. I like to scoop out a little bit of product on my hand and then apply it all over my face with clean fingers, leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes till it dries off, and then I wash it off with water, and that's about it. That's all that you have to do. And the results are clearly visible. The results are for you to see. Fragrance is also very mild. It's not something very overpowering, and I really like it. So the texture of this one is really smooth, and the application is really easy. This is recommended for use 2 to 3 times a week, so you can use it alternate days or every 2 days, 3 days. It doesn't really strip your skin of the moisture, so it doesn't really make your skin very dry, unlike a lot of other clay based masks. I'm really happy with this mask right now, and I will recommend it to you if you have oily skin, acne prone skin. Summers are here, so in summers most of us have slightly oily skin, oilier than normal, so a mask like this is really good to use during this time of the year. It not only has charcoal in it, it also has a few herbs like manjishta and multani mitti, and it also has guava, chironji and marich. All of these together help remove tan, help remove burn marks. They detoxify your skin, clear the dirt and toxin, and give you even toned skin. So I'm really happy with this mask at the moment. I do highly recommend it, and I hope you will give it a try. It retails for rupees 1100 for about 150 gram jar like this one. Indian brand and a made in India product, so I will highly recommend it to you guys. I'm going to leave links in the description box down below in case you're interested in checking it out. And now we'll talk about the other product that I have from the brand, which is the Kuntal Care hair spa. This is a DIY hair treatment, and it's not an oil, it's not a hair serum, it's not an oil, it's not a hair pack also as such. This is a little different. The texture is a little different. It's a very gel like texture. You just take a few spoonfuls out in a tub. First you mix the whole thing. I like to turn the bottle upside down a few times so that everything gets mixed, because this is an Ayurvedic product and sometimes the ingredients, they tend to settle. Take out a few spoonfuls of the product into a bowl, and then I just section my hair and apply this with my fingers and massage it into the scalp for a few minutes and leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes for it to work. Now this one has a slightly strong Ayurvedic fragrance, but it's nothing that is irritating, because I do not like a lot of strong fragrances, but this one is quite pleasant even though it is a little strong. It has ingredients such as jatamasi, triphala and eucalyptus oil. So yeah, the eucalyptus oil is what gives it the slightly strong fragrance. So the main ingredient is bhringraj, then we have amla, neel, brahmi, gudhel, balchad, mehendi, nagar motha, nimbu chilka, and all of those ingredients that are good for your hair and scalp. A little tingling when you have applied this one is normal, and it's not something that you need to be worried of. Once you wash off the hair spa, you don't really feel anything. In fact, leaving it on for 20 to 30 minutes is a very pleasant experience. The eucalyptus oil really calms you down, and it gives that nice spa-like feeling. And you have to apply it on dry hair before you shampoo. So unlike a lot of other hair masks that are available in the market which you apply after shampooing, this one has to be applied before you shampoo on your dry hair, and then you have to use a shampoo and conditioner after rinsing the product off with water. And you can see my hair, again, I have not blow dried or anything, frizz free. It looks very, very smooth. There are no flyaways, there's no dryness on my hair. I really like this one too. I have used this twice till now, and that's the amount of product that I've used. So again, a really good product from Amrutam. The best part about this one is that it is an affordable hair spa treatment at home, because in 649 rupees you will get more than 10 hair spa treatments at home, and it's effective, it is natural, it is 100% safe. It makes your hair frizz free, it repairs damage, it also fights hair fall and promotes hair regrowth, and also it is free of harmful chemicals, unlike a lot of hair spa creams available in the market. This one retails for ₹649 for 200 ml, this little plastic bottle that we have here. Easy to use and a very, very effective product made from all natural ingredients. I do highly recommend this one too. In fact, both the products, I like to use them together on the same day a lot of times on my weekends, and I'm really happy with the results of both of them. So I'm going to leave links in the description box down below in case you're interested in checking them out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel for more, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye.